Welcome to today's 24-hour global financial update. Today's focus: the U.S. Treasury Secretary hints at a possible sharp rate cut in September, boosting market expectations. U.S. Treasury Secretary Bessent stated that a rate-cutting cycle may begin in September, with an initial cut of 50 basis points. He expects the Federal Reserve's interest rate to be 150 to 175 basis points lower than current levels. He also mentioned that the entire U.S. Treasury yield curve may shift downward, reflecting market confidence in U.S. fiscal and policy credibility. Next, let's look at the views of Federal Reserve officials. Bostic and Goolsbee both believe only one rate cut is needed this year. Bostic noted that the job market is strong, giving the Fed room to delay policy adjustments. Goolsbee emphasized the need for several months of favorable inflation data before feeling confident about rate cuts. Now to the clash between Trump and Goldman Sachs. Trump criticized the tariff policy, while Goldman Sachs insisted that consumers will bear 2/3 of the tariff costs. It is estimated that the inflation rate will rise to 3.2% by year-end. Capital continues to flow into emerging markets. In July, net inflows reached $55.5 billion, the second highest monthly figure in nearly 4 years. Chinese bonds and stocks were the strongest attractors. Now to the market movements. U.S. stocks closed broadly higher. The Dow rose over 1%, while the S&P and Nasdaq hit new highs. European stocks also gained, and Japan's Nikkei index hit record highs for 2 consecutive days. U.S. Treasury yields fell across the board. The dollar index weakened, gold rebounded, crude oil broke support, and Bitcoin and Ethereum continued to hit new highs. Key events to watch today. Markets are heavily betting on a Fed rate cut in September, possibly by 50 basis points. The VIX Fear Index fell to last year's low, indicating optimistic market sentiment. Thank you for watching today's market news. If our information is helpful to you, please hit the like button and follow for daily global market insights. We'll see you next time.